If you're looking for the perfect blend of comfort and convenience in New Brunswick, your search ends at Standard at New Brunswick. Step into elegant 2 to 5 bedroom apartments and charming studios, complete with a cozy bed for post-lecture snoozes, a dedicated study space ideal for all-nighter cramming sessions, and an in-unit washer and dryer for hassle-free laundry. With a well-equipped fitness center so you can stay fit with intense workouts, a coffee bar for caffeine refills so you stay energized all the time, and a parking garage to store your wheels, this property has you covered. Bring your fur babies along to this pet-friendly space with a dog wash to keep them groomed. Academic success is in the books with group study rooms for focused sessions and a computer lab to breeze through assignments and exams. Turn your commute to college into cardio with Rutgers University a stroll away. The College of Staten Island is also just minutes away by car. With Livingston Avenue at New Street bus stop nearby, you can travel around the city. So, book your spot at Standard at New Brunswick now with amberstudent.com.